Hi guys, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials channel. Today, we are going to talk about how to use Bing AI. I know that you're going to be excited because this video is we are going to explore the world of Bing AI. So, let's dive into it and start exploring the world of Bing AI. So now, let us, of course, I have already here a downloaded Being AI. So all we need to do is just to simply open it. So once we open it, guys, we can now see here the beautiful features of AI. So we have here the five icons: the home icon, the news, the chat, the tabs, and the apps. All right. So now, what's with this Being AI? Of course, we can simply chat or ask what we want to Bing. The good thing of this, guys, is the Bing AI can use this also a different language. Okay, so if you want to use a Tagalog language or a Filipino language, then Bing AI can give you an answer into Tagalog form. All right. So next, this is where you can ask anything about it, and then of course you can search using this voice search, and of course you can also this one in the home page you can see here a lot or different news, and next of course the news. So this is where a news you can read, and the tabs, this is what tabs that you've just opened. And of course in the app, guys, this is where you can see a lot or can explore a different application that you may use. Okay, so now let's say for example we are going to ask Being AI. Okay, so let's say for example, give me, okay, an example of a dog. Okay, a dog. Okay, so like that, and then let's wait for the response of a Bing. So Bing AI, guys, is just like a ChatGPT, but Bing AI app has a more features to offer. All right. So again, so this is the chat or the chat section where we can ask Bing. And a while ago, we asked, give me an example of a dog, and Bing AI answered as this one. A dog is a domesticated mammal and a common household pet, and etc. etc. Alright, so this is how to use Bing AI. So if you want to know on how to use Bing AI, that's the easiest way I know. And if you know another way on how to use Bing AI, just leave a comment below and be sure to subscribe for more videos. Bye guys!